In our previous Kerala vlogs, we showed our stay at Club Mahindra Cherai, our visit to the famous Atrapalli Falls, and also we showed in our third episode our visit to Lulu Mall. In this episode, we'll be showing our visit to Fort Kochi and the surrounding places, and also a return trip from Kochi to Bangalore.
Heard that if you're coming to Fort Kochi, is one of the famous restaurants, and you have the Jew town also here. So this is near to Fort Kochi. In Fort Kochi, right? You should try that Chinese baking mess. It will be fun actually.
So this is the Jew town basically. This is the Jew town road.
Hi all.
Hi.
Good morning, from Club Mahindra Cherai.
Yes.
So today is day 3 of our trip, and we are just checking out from the hotel.
Yeah.
So we thought of showing this before checking out.
So this is actually the
a
final and
beautiful
one
deck
ultimate
area.
point, deck
Yeah.
area. This is called marked as a selfie point over there. And this is the entire view of the lake. It's just looking marvelous. Marvelous. You should not miss this place. And here is the recreational area. So all types of games you get over here. You get things which you might buy, silk, spices and all. And here's Priyanka.
Hi.
So we thought of showing this place last to you.
Yeah,
This is
but
actually,
yesterday we missed it. This is a very beautiful place of taking photos actually. We
yeah,
could have taken nice photos here
yeah, yeah,
while we are checking out. And you can see that road is
yeah. That is the road through which we came.
from here. It's looking very good.
That's
You can
actually,
just come here and show.
yeah, great views. Chalo, let's check out.
So today is day 3 of our trip, and right now we are going to Cherai beach, जो हमारे होटल के सामने ही था, पर मैंने
Yeah.
सोचा लास्ट में जाएंगे.
So we'll try and show you some places in Cochin. Let's see if time permits.
So we came to the Cherai beach, and this is the tariff of the various parking types. I mean of different vehicles. Okay, so let's go. तो एक्चुअली आप नीचे उतर सकते थे पहले, पर क्योंकि ये रेनी सीजन है तो एक्चुअली इट इज़ प्रोहिबिटेड. यू कैन नॉट गेट डाउन हियर. तो देख ही सकते हो पानी ज़्यादा है अभी. तो जैसे मैंने बोला पानी बहुत ज़्यादा है अभी.
It is too much now. Actually, this places you can actually go down there. So these places, so much of water is there right now. It's already submerged. So otherwise, this is a very pristine and nice beach. But अभी सिर्फ पत्थर ही दिख रहा है because पानी बहुत ज़्यादा है.
चलो फिर.
Yeah.
So we are done with Cherai, and now we are going to Fort Kochi.
Yeah.
तो Fort Kochi जो यहाँ से डिस्टेंस है वो है
वो ऑलमोस्ट कितना 50 ऑड कुछ है. तो नहीं, दिस इज नॉट शोइंग फोर्ट कोची. सो इट इज समवेयर अराउंड 38 kilometers on road, which will take us around 1.5 hours to 1 hour 40 minutes. That's what Google is showing. Since we could not go directly, because kabhi bhi when we are from Cherai to Fort Kochi you are going, it will show you via ferry road. I did some research on the ferry. I heard that there are 2 Ro-Ro services which are closed. Only one is running. It's too much of rush. So we thought, being a Sunday, we'll try through road only. Let's see. We'll try to show you some places, but I don't know how much time permits. Let's see.
time is 12:23 and we reached Kochi, and you can see big buildings, nice apartments.
Nice entry to Kochi, na? Both sides backwaters and all,
Yeah.
and these tall buildings. It looks very nice. So this is actually the starting of Marine Drive. From there, if you go towards backside, we are now going towards Fort Kochi. You can see it's lining that backwater. Very nice, scenic. Evening you can have lots of, well, you can sit over there, enjoy. They have street foods and all. Now we are heading towards Fort Kochi.
Fort Kochi is another 14 kilometers.
So this is the naval base of Cochin. You can see tight security area. It's one of the largest naval bases of India. Here's the road towards Fort Kochi. So this is the harbour bridge which gets us connected to Fort Kochi. So as you can see, we are just entering that. There's a height span. This used to be one of the earliest bridges over Kochi. Now I think this is a little old bridge. Oh, the view is wonderful.
Yeah.
That's the new bridge which has got constructed in the left side, which you can see. The harbour bridge leading us to Cochin port.
So this is the first place we are visiting in Fort Kochi, is the famous Fort Kochi beach.
Yeah, we have to search for some parking.
Parking, I mean,
It's difficult though.
See. Okay, fine, we'll check.
Let's see if we can get.
So this is the Fort Kochi beach. As soon as we came, it started raining. It's looking good, and you can take a walk actually here. This is very beautiful actually. You can just take a walk here. Yeah, actually.
So beautiful place, Priyanka.
Very good actually.
Very nice, na?
शाम को आराम से बैठे रहो.
Ah.
हमारे पास तो चलो टाइम नहीं, हम लोग बैंगलोर
And you just walk around. I think they have made this walking track. Walk along the sea.
एक्चुअली अभी क्लाउडी है,
हाँ,
थोड़ी सी बारिश भी हो गई है, तो वेदर भी सही है.
सही है.
नाइस एक्चुअली.
And the place is also very nice. You can see they have made this walking track. Walk along the sea. Lots.
आल्सो देयर.
Some street foods, ice cream, charts and all.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है वो बोट, शिप भी है शायद.
It's should be. I think looks like a naval ship. Let me see if I can. Looks like a naval ship or a trawler भी होगा. And this is looking very nice. Fort Kochi beach. Acha, I guess this is the parking space, huh? Looks like
No.
huge space. Or this is only the walking space, huh?
This is the walking space. Yeah.
Anyways, we have got our parking somewhere.
So this is another viewpoint here only. It's looking lovely, right?
Very nice, very nice. And I think people have gone down also.
Yeah.
If it is not for this monsoon season, you can go down also. and
Yeah.
It's very nicely made.
Yeah, it's a
Very nice.
beautiful beach actually.
Peace of mind बहुत है यहाँ पे आराम से आओ, spend some time.
So we are at Fort Kochi beach as we told, and from here actually you can see the Chinese fishing net. So
अच्छा.
let me tell you the history of the Chinese fishing net. So this is something which was introduced by the Chinese first time in India in Kochi. The technique how they do the fishing, that was something around 1350 to 1400 AD. In between that was first introduced by the Chinese, and it is one of the famous in the world. तो अभी ज़्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं, आई थिंक 2-3 ही बचा है, बट एक्चुअली यू कैन ट्राई दैट आउट. अभी हम लोग नहीं जा रहे हैं, अब शाम के टाइम जाओ तो यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्राई दैट टेक्निक ऑफ हाउ यू आर पुलिंग दैट नेट एंड ऑल. तो एक्चुअली 4-5 लोग मिल के वो करते हैं, सो दैट इज़ अ नाइस फन वन. तो एक्चुअली यू कैन जूम देम एंड शो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर.
Yeah, I think you can see, yeah, those are the net. Chinese fishing nets, as you can see. यहाँ पे भी एक दिख रहा है. Yes, this is one of the nets, and those are four other nets. Yes, you can see over there.
So if I am coming in Kochi, right? So this is near to Fort Kochi. In Fort Kochi, right? You should try that Chinese fishing nest. It will be fun actually. अभी हमारे पास इतनी टाइम है नहीं, तो हम लोग नहीं चाह रहे. शाम के टाइम में जो तो और अच्छा लगेगा वो देखने में भी. So it started raining again, and we are in the roads of Fort Kochi.
Yes.
We are going to have a lunch, and this is the road.
So we saw 2-3 restaurant options. I think one is
Ginger House.
We're planning to go there.
Yeah, I heard it's a famous restaurant, so let's try that out in Fort Kochi.
So these are the localities of Fort Kochi. It's looking very nice. It has a different architecture altogether. It's looking very nice. Roads are also very smooth, right?
So let me tell you something about Fort Kochi. So Fort Kochi is the first European township in India. So Fort Kochi is basically famous for its British, Dutch and Portuguese architecture. So that's the reason you can see the roads with different varieties of this architecture coming from different countries. So it is rich in heritage, and it plays an important part, this Fort Kochi, in knowing the history of Kerala actually. And we showed you that fishing net, so that is that Chinese fishing net, so that is also having a lot of history. So it's a beautiful place overall, and we have plans to go to Jew Town. So we want to walk at the streets of Jew Town, so that is also being known for a lot of antiques you will get in the streets, and you can do some street shopping. So that we have planned to go after the lunch. So we came, this is Ginger House Museum Hotel, and here we are going to have our lunch. It's one of the famous hotels, so let's go inside. Wow, the architecture looks really nice. क्योंकि म्यूजियम होटल है, so here is the museum actually, this site, and yeah, you can see the museum. We just parked our car here, and let's go. So that side is the restaurant. So this is the Ginger House restaurant. अच्छा लग रहा है.
I'm worried about the parking. I don't know how to take out some other car from inside.
So you can see the Kerala backwaters.
So as you can see, there's a beautiful architecture in this Ginger House restaurant. Priyanka is enjoying.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not looking like a restaurant, right?
Nah.
Because it's a museum hotel, right?
Actually,
That's the reason you can see this beautiful architecture.
beautiful. It's actually
Lot
very
of
nice.
places to take photo at.
Yup. You can do a lot of photo ops here, and this is the nice setup overseeing the water body.
Backward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, so let us try out the food. But I've heard that if you're coming to Fort Kochi, is one of the
Yes.
famous restaurants, and you have the Jew Town also here. So actually, you can cover both at the same time. So a lot of places to take photos.
Yep.
Nice photos actually.
Very nice. Ginger House in the Jewtown Road, Fort Kochi.
तो ये आ गया हमारा खाना.
ये क्या था?
प्रॉन रोस्ट था. ये एक्चुअली था मील था का, मतलब टोटल था अप्पम के साथ प्रॉन रोस्ट, या पराठा भी ले सकते हो, मलाबर परोठा, पर वो है नहीं आज, खत्म हो गया. चिकन बिरयानी इज कमिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव इट. और ये हमारा बिरयानी भी आ गया. तो चलो, सब कुछ आ ही गया, खाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. And it's raining also. Wow. Awesome, na? मतलब ऐसे रेन देखते देखते खाओ.
बढ़िया लग रहा है दिखने में. having food here.
फूड इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड ना.
Very good.
वेरी गुड. प्रॉन हम लोगों ने ट्राई किया, बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली. वाओ, लवली एटमॉस्फेयर. सी.
So this is the Jew town basically. This is the Jew town road. As you can see, lots of shops lining the street.
And you have a lot of antiques.
Antiques, yeah. Yeah. This is the Jew town road. Jew town, Cochin. As you can see, there's a cafe also. All those arts and crafts and antique you'll get over here. Very nice, serene place. So that's the entry of the Jew town, the ancient Jewish settlement market for art, antiques, crafts and spices. This is the entry.
So this is the Kochi tourist boating center. Lot of shops are here also. Let's go inside. This you can see. I think ships are also there. I think now it is closed, I guess, because of rain.
That's what I'm.
Yeah,
This is the.
the boats are there.
I don't think this is happening right now.
Yeah.
So as we saw, so in that tourist boating center, there are lots of small shops and lots of items are there. Priyanka is trying them out. These are made of German silver, as being told by the shopkeeper. How are the things, Priyanka? Good, right?
It's good, looking nice.
Yeah.
Different kind of varieties of things
Yes.
are there. We don't see exactly this kind in Bangalore.
Yeah.
We have this metal, but not exactly.
So this all shops are lined up over here while on the way to the boating center. This is the entrance. Chalo, you keep on.
Yeah. So this is the entry to the Jew town, where you can see a lot of antique shops, jewelries, antique jewelries.
Market for art, antiques,
Yeah.
crafts and spices.
Yes.
As you can see,
Yeah.
the road itself is called the Jew Town Road. And from here the Jew Town starts.
Yeah. This is, you can see, Kerala handloom sari.
Spices shop was closed.
Yeah, spicy shops are closed. I don't know why.
So being a Sunday, the rush is little less, I feel.
Bag. It's pretty nice market
Pretty nice,
actually.
yeah. Nice. And all these are old English architectural houses.
Yeah, there are some perfume shops. are
Windows
also
and
there.
doors देख के समझ में आता है.
हाँ. I think as I was reading somewhere, I think सिर्फ 2 ही Jewish लोग यहाँ पे है और families
Yes.
यहाँ पे है, बाकी सब लोग चले गए एक्चुअली यहाँ से. So quite nice. So we are done with Kochi.
Yes.
कुछ ही पॉइंट्स घूमे क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है ज़्यादा. हम लोग बैंगलोर वापस जाने वाले हैं और मेन हमारा तिरुपल्ली फॉल्स ही था एक्चुअली, जो हम लोगों ने कवर कर लिया कल. तो यहाँ से जो बैंगलोर का डिस्टेंस दिखा रहा है वो है 543 किलोमीटर. Showing 10 hours it will take time to reach, and the ETA is showing 19 AM and currently the time is 2:53 PM. So let's start.
Yeah. Chalo. So this is the gateway of Cochin Bridge. We showed you the Harbour Bridge, which was the old one. This is the new one, which is the gateway of Kochi Bridge. Vimki Raghavan Gate, and that side is KG Harshal Gate. So let's enter and cross this. So as you can see, as we left Kochi and heading towards Bangalore, it's raining heavily. It's raining cats and dogs. God was very kind with us. In fact, trip mein we thought so much of rain will be there, but we didn't get rains at all in places where we went down. Light rains are, but abhi dekho, you can see it's extremely heavy. So this is the Cochin International Airport. As you can see, that's the Cochin International Airport on the right hand side. Yes. So we are somewhere around Koratti. तो
कोची बहुत बड़ी जगह है, राइट? तब से हम लोग क्रॉस ही नहीं कर पाए.
टाइम हो गया, it's around 4:20 PM.
yeah.
We are yet to cross Kochi. So I was wrong. Time was 4:38 PM. That time we were near to Angamali when we were just nearing Cochin Airport. Now this is Koratti. Koratti is before Chalakudi. So it took us pretty long to cross Cochin here.
Yeah.
So let's see how we reach.
Route is too scenic.
Yes. Especially between Palakkad and Coimbatore. Show the left side.
Yeah, I showed. It's very good.
Very nice. So time is exact 7 o'clock and here we are crossing Coimbatore. Actually we have bypassed entire Coimbatore, and again after the 2-lane Coimbatore bypass, this is the final toll, and we are going to enter the 4-lane stretch of NH 544. तो और अभी भी 5 hours 52 minutes दिखा रहा है. टाइम 12:53. Let's see by what time we reach.
तो टाइम हो रहा है एक्चुअली 7:35 और हम लोग अविनाशी क्रॉस करके चिंगापल्ली बोल के एक जगह है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने अपना फर्स्ट पेट्रोल ब्रेक लिया है. आई थिंक अभी भी दिखा रहा है, व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस? हाँ, 279 किलोमीटर अभी भी है, तो थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया हम लोगों ने.
So time is 8:56 PM. As you can see, we have entered Salem. So here we go. We have taken the left towards Bangalore. The straight goes to connect to the NH 44, which leads to Namakkal and Dindigul, Madurai. Yes, here is Salem.
We still have 178 kilometer to cover to reach Bangalore. ETA is showing as 12:24. We have covered up some time.
Yes, almost 40-45 minutes we have covered.
Yeah.
Let's see how much more we can cover. So time हुआ है अभी 10:25 and here we reached the Krishnagiri Toll Plaza. So almost 1 hour 30 minutes from Salem. Yeah. So and another 79 kilometers to go. Expected time of arrival 12:08 now.
So we reached home. Time is 11:50. So we were able to
Make up almost 1 hour 20 minutes odd.
Yeah.
So it was a good trip overall.
Yeah.
Mostly whatever we tried to cover, we covered. Yeah, not for very long or leisurely way, but we covered whatever we tried to cover. The roads were decent. There were diversions and all, but it was decent. Kerala roads have improved leaps and bounds, though I went almost 10-12 years back. But now they are extremely good, especially the stretch between Thrissur to Palakkad was super smooth. Nice 6-lane. Even from Palakkad to Coimbatore is okay. Only stretch which will be painful will be the 2-lane Coimbatore bypass. Post Coimbatore till Salem is also good, and post Salem is also good right now, apart from those diversions between Krishnagiri to Hosur.
Yeah. So one correction, like it's not Kerala we went after so many years. Kerala we went multiple times.
Correct. Kerala we went multiple times, but this side towards Cochin, means after Palakkad towards Cochin, we went after 10-12 years. We last went to Alleppey, I think long time back. So
Yeah.
that's how it is.
Okay, chalo, that ends our lovely trip, and
And-
we will. Yeah.
Atirapalli
Yeah,
is
it's a
a
must
must-see
visit.
place
Yeah.
during monsoons. It's really gorgeous.
Yeah. Okay, so chalo, bye. We are ending our
Yeah.
vlog here. See you again next time. Till then, bye. Take care. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.